I am going to dig a hole, and I bust a hole through the plastic because I want to plant my flowers here. Oh, this soil is good. Look at the good soil. This is a rock. I'm going to keep that rock. This is good soil. And I could also add dirt. That's big enough for my plant. So let me go get the plant. Put it on top of the towel. Oh, thank you. Put the paper towel over the glass for me, please. Lay it over. Yeah, like that. Yes, thank you. Make sure it's on there. Yeah, thank you. Oh, there go my sandwiches, you guys. All right. The basil are going to go take this little tiny one right here. Here it is. I got to get them out. I got to plant them. Yeah, they need to be planted. I got to get them out. Oh, they're not coming out. Uh-oh. Okay, let me squeeze. Let me squeeze. Here's one. Oh, yes. Come on out. I think they're connected to each other. I got the rest. Oh, they are. Here it is. I'm going to plant it. I think that would be a beautiful spot to put these. And so I took this right here and I cut a hole. I'm going to put it down here like this. And I'm going to get some dirt. Oh, I got some dirt. Can you get that bag of dirt that's hanging on the door and right there in the family room? Please? Oh, I can't wait to eat my food. I can't wait. There go my cherry juice. There go my sandwiches that I like with nothing on it but bread and meat. Yeah, that white bag that's hanging on the door with the dirt in it. Yeah, I'm gonna need that dirt. And I gotta plant these too. So I have an idea. I'm breaking a hole through the plastic, and I'm gonna take them around in a C shape. So the next flower gonna go here. The next one gonna go here. So I would have to pull this all up because look how thick it is. And I'm gonna bust through this plastic right here and make another hole for this flower. Thank you. So I'm gonna put this dirt here. This is some dirt I had left over from the inside house plant. So I'm gonna use it on this flower. Because I bust through the plastic. And I need to put the dirt to help it have some dirt. I think this is gonna be real pretty. Plant here. To bring out the color through this area right here. That's what I'm doing. Putting dirt. Making sure they have plenty of dirt. I better get some water. I better get water also. I need water. You come and do this type of work, you ain't got to worry about being stressed out mad. By the time you get finished, you'll be so tired and hungry and sleepy, you won't be thinking about nobody. Baby Solo is so funny. Okay. Here goes some water right here. I got water. I got rainwater. I got rainwater. And this is the bush that Baby Solo took up today. If you guys watch my video, I went live and I put up a video. And this is what I did when I went live. There's plastic and weed spray underneath over in this area, but not here. So I don't kill that plant I just planted today. This is what I planted today. Yes. So now I'm putting down these over here. Put some water. I want it to have some good water before I cover the rest around it. The mush. You can plant it in the mush, but you gotta make sure the roots can reach the dirt. That's why I had to bust the plastic. Yeah, this been down for years. I want to bring some color out. So I'm going to get back. I'm going to stand back and see what that look like. I'll be planting that plant here. stand back and take a look. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Cause they're gonna get big. They're not gonna stay small like that. And put this over here. That's dirt. Move the water. I need to see the real picture. I got to see the real view. The real view of these flowers. Yeah. Put that rock over there. Let me see. Okay. I'm trying to make a C shape and go around this way like this. So I'm gonna stand back. And I'm gonna sit over here like I'm sitting at my table. And then the plants, as they grow, they will show me what they look like when they grow. Because I can't add it here because I put weed spray under the plastic from here on back. So I can't plant nothing there because the poison is under the plastic. And I made sure I didn't put no poison over this way because I didn't want to kill that plant. That's a new plant I just put in today. I made a video live. Check it out. It's about planting. And now I need to bust through this plastic right here. And I'm going to use this pointy end right here. And you know, I have to bust through this plastic right there. And then that's when I could put the next plant in.